Good morning, everyone. Oh, wait, hold up. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so seems like we are advancing on the morning. We kind of got our range going here. Let me actually put that back. Yeah, we got a nice little range we're pushing right now. I see some liquidity down here at 634 on the SPY. Here, let's get the other charts up too. Oh, I guess it just wants to show the cues. Guess we're just looking at the cues aside from the SPY today. Let's also get IWM up here. Let's get Google going. Let's get Meta going. And what else? Let's pull up Tesla too. Where we at? Oh, there we are. Yeah, so Tesla getting this little sell-off on. Kevin, good morning. Yoko, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. Osama, good morning. X Cole, good morning. Frank, top of the morning. Natasha, good morning. Hey, in here, getting it done. All right, so Euro close. Looks like we might be pulling back a little bit. Let me set this off to the side. And I've been standing all morning, so I'm about to take a seat. These curve top in the morning. Wait, where's Google? All right, so Google had a nice pop, but they kind of pulling back a little bit. Let's get in here on some lower time frames. Yo, I took something on Meta. It's not looking the best at the moment. May end up having to take an L on that, but we'll see. Hey, push that like button. Arenzi, good morning. First time on the live. Hey, welcome. Just trying to get situated at the moment. See what's popping. And good morning, Jack. Top of the morning. Good morning, sir. And no, I'm not a bot. I live in Denton. Oh, okay. Stan, I remember you. I don't know. We got those like numbers from you, but didn't understand what the numbers were. So that's why we asked that yesterday. Tony, top of the morning. Sold at open. Sold to Google. Hey, good stuff. D-Skirt. Levi, top of the morning. Sheila, top of the morning. Southern Magnolia, good morning. And Wu Baka, good morning. All right. So, we're here. The SPY is like pushing. The Qs is, I guess kind of consolidating. It's still in a bullish range, but kind of consolidating. Daniel said reversal on the SPY. I wouldn't call that yet. It's still pushing a bullish range. We might be able to look for some kind of trend. That's like there's probably there are levels to the trend. So I like this area for potential entry for upside, but here let's actually take it from the top down, which is actually why this is called top down analysis. We'll start on the 4-hour. Okay, so it is a little overbought, but definitely seen it get a lot worse for this buy. We still have that like EU news kind of lingering, so I'm still kind of bullish about that. Um, is this? Here, we'll get rid of that. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. A little overbought on the 1 hour, but still riding this 13 EMA. So right now, if we pull back, it looks like maybe 634 or this like 634.13 area. Probably a decent area to potentially look to continue to push the trend on the cool. Once again, this trend looks pretty strong. Looks like it's moving. Let's all right. Apple thoughts. Apple's bullish. That's what I would personally say about Apple. Is it looks all right. Like Apple's bullish. I mean, there appears to be some resistance around like 215.80 to like kind of the area it's currently in, but yeah, if it can get back there, it can do well. I have nothing negative to say about Apple. Feel like it can go up more. Anella, good morning. Pamela, top of the morning. EMA 20 just crossed and the VWAP is leveling out. So that's not, I personally don't trade using the VWAP at all. It's very well possible that the SPY can pull back, but I'm probably gonna end up looking for some kind of, here, let's try to slide this up. Let's see if we can get on with the bodies. Probably gonna look to see how this trend holds up, see if we can maybe look, we might still see some wicks, but just see how this holds up. Did you catch UNH this morning? No, I didn't even look at UNH. UNH is like here, let's see. I didn't like do too much stock wise this morning. I did like try to do something with Meta that does not look like it's playing out at the moment. UNH. So it sold off. I mean, that's a decent move for UNH. So it's like, once again, I still expect UNH to like, or like I can still see UNH coming back down to retest that low. So it's like right now UNH, I'm not like watching it shorter term. It's like if it comes to that level, it's like, all right, my eyes are there, but it's not one I watch day to day. Southern Magnolia was able to cash out. Hey, appreciate you. Hey, glad we got to the money yesterday. Hopefully we do the same thing today. I'm on the lookout for the setup. We'll see if we can rinse again with the SPY, let the contracts get cheap. Kind of see what we can do. But yeah, glad you were able to catch 100% on that. Yeah, it might just be a pullback before a bullish trend continues. Yeah, honestly, I would expect us to keep moving, but until we get something like negative, I would expect us to keep pushing. I haven't really seen anything that just made me think like, oh, this is going to stop, because we've continued to be like, even through like some of the negativity, we've continued to just run. And I really, it's like the move is up until we until we're like shown otherwise. April, good morning. Hey, happy Thankful Thursday. They had some news this morning, so I was in and out. Okay, good to hear. Yeah, there's like usually at market open there's like so much that goes on that like that's why I moved the stream back. There's too much that goes on at market open, and I feel like I waste my brain power, my focus and everything looking at everything. So just had to just had to do that. All right, Tesla paid off some bills. Hey, did you take puts? And if you took puts, did you get in before or after they announced their earnings? I'm just curious. Jamie, top of the morning. Let's make this bread again. We're on fire. Oh yeah, momentum's on our side. Hey, let's get it. SPY at 640, then drop. I mean that'd be cool. I'd be cool with that. Yeah, 640 is a psychological level. Be a good place for it to happen. On the cool. Chase, top of the morning, top of the morning. Yeah, we got a lot of lurkers in the chat. I see. Hey, we got at least 31 lurkers. That's wild. Oh, real quick, let me turn off the ads. Let's see. Wait, how do I forgot how to do it. Oh, there we go. All right, so y'all shouldn't get any more. Took puts before. Hey, good move. Yeah, that's kind of the way I felt like it would go. Like I didn't see any reason for it to go up, but it's like also I didn't wait, how far is Tesla down? I don't think I foresaw Tesla coming down almost 10% off of Tesla falling 10% off of earnings. Like I wouldn't have necessarily foreseen that, but honestly, here let's Tesla's taking out these price targets. Next is like 296. Yeah, I would say Tesla at least coming to that 296, if not this low over here. Hit that like button, yes sir. Morning, boss man. Got the stress toy in hand. I think my stress toy is just my other hand. You know, if I, not necessarily saying I'm stressed, but if I have anything else, if I got to deal with that, I just got my other hand to squeeze. All right, so getting a little pullback action on the SPY. Maybe, and that might set us up for something. Let me check my day trade, see what we got, what we have to work with. All right, so I got one day trade. What's today? Thursday? Honestly, I think it's better to use it on a Thursday than a Friday because they like to play games. Wait, whoa, what was that? What did I just see? That little update on Tesla? Hold up. Where is it? Tesla price target maintained with the 19.5 cent per share by GLJ Research. That's insane. $19.05 per share price target. Kai, top of the morning. Yo, There's something missing up here. Let's see. Wrong. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we're kind of chilling right now. Tesla bringing things down. All right, so where did Google go? Google kind of trending to the downside a little bit on the day. It said Tesla ripping to the downside, or is this what you're calling a rip? I would not call that a rip. Like in comparison to what is done today, a rip needs to be a lot more. Bro, Lucid let me down again. I bought 2,000 shares and 20 puts at the $3 strike for the 25th. Let's see. Lucid, where is Lucid at right now? Yeah, Lucid, yeah, they look like they're chilling. They're like just below $3. So you said bought 2,000 shares and 20 puts for tomorrow. Oh, you thought you had Lucid like selling off hard or something? Lucid might it might have a little hard time like selling off right away like that. All right, but let's take a look at it actually. It's hard when you get these shorter time frames. Like I got something on Meta today. I'm down on it. It expires tomorrow. But may not be out, but yeah, the way it's doing right now, it does not have the momentum I'd like. We still got 10 minutes left on this candle, but taking a look at Meta, it almost looks as if they've, out of this little trend we got going, looks like they may have broken out, looks like they may cross to the upside. So my thing was if this is a breakout for Meta and Meta decides to just run, yo, that's going to be beautiful. Should love see. Yo, what's up? Wanted to catch the drop from the spike up off the news, but it's cool. I preserved my money. I would say it's easier to catch. It's easier to catch a rise from a drop than a drop from a rise, because it's like once certain things get attention, especially at like such low prices, then it'll kind of have a higher baseline. So there's more attention on Lucid now. Tesla leap. You could not pay me to take leaps on Tesla at this level. It's like, yeah, Tesla definitely in my eyes can come a lot lower. It's like if Tesla wants to come back to 200, it's like I'll take leaps. Maybe even 220. I'd be down to do that, but where like Tesla up here at 300, uh, I don't really love it. Here, let me clear out these little price targets real quick. Yeah, the trend, there's not really much strength in the trend at the moment, so no, you would not catch me taking leaps at the moment with Tesla. Natalie, good morning. Late to the party. Hey, better late than never. The party may not even started until you walked in. Totally agree with you on Tesla. Under 250 for Tesla, that seems fair, but this is a trick. Yeah. But there's nothing really pushing Tesla up at all. So it's like the thought of Tesla falling more, that doesn't seem outrageous to me. Like it doesn't seem like hard. Just especially with the Elon Musk Trump thing, y'all gotta remember what blasted Tesla up here. Cause we can see, I think we had the election. This was pre-election. So like, or I guess they had their earnings over here, but we had the election over here. You can see when it happened. Like, or maybe was it? No, it wasn't over here. So yeah, right in here, we had the election. Tesla goes from about like 220, 230, blast all the way up to 490. I'm lucky. I sold out around 471. After like all last year, I was averaging in. I'm like, yo, this is not going to last because nothing has changed. And yeah, Tesla pulled back down to that 220 area, where it was. Wait, what happened here? Oh, this was that little Trump saying it's a good time to buy, and then it kind of brought it back up. But Tesla right now, when it comes to their value, I still think they're probably overvalued in my opinion. Everyone looking at mid cap and small cap. I honestly don't know what specifically you're referring to when you say everyone looking at mid cap and small cap. It's like I just look at whatever stocks I look at. But if there's like an index or if there is a specific ETF or anything that you're looking at to do that, that's like maybe. I really don't know. AMD going for it. Operation Pass and video. Oh, is AMD moving? Let's see. Oh, okay. It's above that 163. Should be close to that trend line, should it not? Did I delete that trend line? Yo, what happened to my... Oh, I think it's coming in. Nah, hold up. Oh, I had my drawings off or something. There we go. I'm like, yo, what happened to the trend line? All right, so that's one thing I would say, like, watch out for. It's like right here, yo, it either blasts off and goes crazy, or we catch a mean sell-off. Or we can consolidate and kind of like rise with it. So we'll see, but yeah, we do want to notice it's at this trend line. So yeah, it's like, will we break above or will we get smacked down? But Nvidia's at 172. Yeah, they're pretty darn close. I remember they were like, there were points when AMD was past Nvidia when they were like in their 140s and whatnot. Not market cap wise, but like stock price wise, there were points. Like not by much, but yeah, let me clear up all this. I know there's a way to like highlight stuff and just delete it like that, but I don't know how to do that. So I have to delete everything one by one. And it takes a lot of time. Yeah, we got 4 minutes till the close of the hour. Here, let's see if we can let's see if we got any like just solid trends on this buy. Alright, so we did have this one. No, forget that. We got the first one I drew. We might have a short downtrend going here. We'll see how this ends up playing out. Or maybe let's try to drop that down a little bit. See how that does. Ooh, I'm over here worried about day trades on the SPY. I forget that the account that I was trading on, I had the ability to like spread things and make them free. I didn't even have to use my day trade yesterday. I'll see if I can go for that today. If the opportunity presents itself. I think right now the SPY back at maybe 535 might be opportunity, or the SPY back at like 534. But yeah, it's a waiting game. AMD's Lisa Su revealed that chips from TSMC's Arizona plant will cost 5% to 20% more than those made in Taiwan, with initial shipments due by year end. Oh, I still gotta delete this stuff from Tesla. All right, Microsoft taking off while all other stocks are getting hammered. All right, what's going on with Microsoft? Still not too big of a fan. That it is. Okay, what's the Microsoft faces cyber attacks targeting ish. SharePoint software. Armada announces 131 million strategic funding round. Oh wait, hold up. Amazon kind of going off on the day. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, Amazon doing this thing. Amazon's up almost 2%. Percentage wise, it's doing more than Microsoft. They look like they even have a little trend on the day. Yeah, let's go up to a higher time frame. They might be breaking their trend right now. or at least they're toying with it. Let's see if we can draw one from the upside too. All right, so we're getting a little pullback on the SPY, a little pullback on other things as well. Good afternoon. Can we look at IWM on the day? So I have IWM up already. It's currently selling off. I don't really have further analysis of it, but yeah, IWM's right here. It's selling off. There might be some liquidity to be found around 224, potentially. But yeah, other than that, I don't think there's anything else to say about it. We'll put an alert there, see how it does. Let me see what the contracts are going for. IWM. And that came from almost 226. Honestly, that might be a play. That might be a play. Because we got this set up right here. So the range here, let me show y'all. Let me break it down for y'all. So we got a range right here. This is a 1 hour, so I don't know, but we got a range right here. We kind of actually we made a pullback over here. I don't know. Here, let's see what it looks like on a 4 hour. It's a little bit more continuous. I don't fully know. I would like to think, like, if we just look at the 1 hour, maybe we could do that, but we'll see. So it's like there's a chance that's valid, but also it's a chance it's not. But it might be worth going for. If you just take a little bit, that might be a trade I'm cool with going with the price I'm looking at the contract at and the potential for it. I like the risk to reward. Actually, I might even be able to get a closer strike by the time it gets there. Oh yeah, I'll have to watch that. You can go one of two ways. All right, so we're getting a little pullback action. See if we get any kind of revival or anything. Hit the like button, guys. Hey, thanks for the reminder, Amanda. Yeah, this is your friendly reminder. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Or the like button just might smash you. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. Hey, smash the like button, get it up. Let's be free from El Salvador. Central Florida Street Glide. Hey, What's up, family? What is up? All right, so getting a little pulling back in. All right, so spies at support and also at that trend line. It might be a good area for a call here. We still got that I don't know. I still like, so we have this downtrend. So if we went for this, that'd be like I don't know, possibly 50 cents of upside. I think I'm gonna leave that alone. The possibility of this IWM does seem a little bit more appetizing to me. I might want to see the SPY. Like, I would love to see the SPY back at the start of this trend around like 634. We might be able to get a actually break of this trend to the downside. That might be a move too. That might be strong enough to play. Here, let's see. Um, Once again, I'm gonna still trade with the trend though. So while I will acknowledge the possibility of if it breaks, it could go here. I would rather play the other way, just to play with the trend and have the probabilities and odds in my favor. Hey, what's up, Danny? Dang. Oh, oh, you were talking to someone else, weren't you? Oh, I still have that call from yesterday put up here. Let me get that off. I'm not even. Wait, some alert just. Okay, so the SPY fell back below that. Okay, so SPY's back at 535. We're pulling back. Could pull back some more. VWAP reversal on SPY. I do not trade using the VWAP, so if it's a VWAP reversal, I am not the one to confirm that. And if you think that line on my chart is a VWAP, no, those are all EMAs. I don't use the VWAP. Stop loss kicked me out of the perfect SPY put that you just talked about the other day. Oh no. Yeah, that's unfortunate. That's why I have like that's why I personally am the stop loss, especially like when I'm actually watching the charts. But we didn't necessarily get confirmation or anything for a put yet. Right now we're kind of just like watching, hoping. As of right now, we got this trend. That's like, if this trend takes as long as it can, like for the SPY, this might be till what is it? Till about 12:05. So like another hour. Us just chilling here. Here, let's go. Let's see what we're looking like on the. Okay, just tuned in. Didn't know. Hey, fast forward. Now you know. Yeah, I personally don't. Yeah, I don't really use the VWAP at all. So I have the 13 EMA is going to be the blue line. The orange EMA is going to be the 48 EMA. What's your P&L for the week so far? I have multiple accounts, so I don't have like I don't have a like just a P&L like and I have other positions I'm holding. So it's like when it comes to P&L, it's kind of like jaded. Like if you ask me like how I am with my trades for the week, what was I going to say? Like if you ask like what's my P&L for my trades this week, I had no idea. Like I do have like there is the Discord to look at and see like how I did on those trades, but it's like I have like leaps, I have shares, I have stuff like that, so I really don't know on the cool. Hey, I'm new, just looking for advice and technique. So I got like a full on like I got a playlist for you that I will drop for you. So here, highly recommend checking out that playlist right there that I just linked. I'm getting into options and I'm barely learning Greek, so I have a ways to go. So, just a quick little overview. Oh wait, hold up. Quick little overview of what to expect from this playlist. Like it actually addresses some things like that. So the first is just going to be like trading charts and all that stuff. Then like swing trading. But when you get to the questions about options specifically, you got your stop loss. When it comes to learning about the Greeks and stuff, this video right here, that's going to be my best explanation. So highly recommend checking out that playlist, and yeah, I think it's good stuff. Letitia, hey, what's up? All right, so we might have a little possible short on our way. It's like should I go for it? We're on the 5 minute, right? I might decide to take something small on the SPY to the downside. That might be the way today, just to see. So if I take something now, I would I don't love that actually. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. That's like I feel like it could still sell off, but when I looked at where my target is, I don't necessarily. Well, actually, this is a target too, like 634. But there are other targets before that. So I'm gonna just chill. I will tune in how often. So I'm live like every day. Like I come in like 2 hours after the market opens. And yeah, every day the market's open. I come in like 2 hours after market open. You said I want to join your courses on options. Where do I go? Just lost so much money. So I don't have any courses right now. But I would check that. That is a fat chunk of information that I would say it's good for like reframing your mind. Good luck. Thanks for your help. Sparky Cat Daddy. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, so we are selling off on the SPY. So had I grabbed a put, it would have been cool. But I'm just interested to see where it ends up going. Do you send signals? Not necessarily send signals. It's like I show like when I take a trade, but my trades aren't always the best. So it's like, yo, in the Discord, it's like, yo, if you want to know when I take a trade and you're not on stream, it's like, yeah, you get the alert of that, but once again, yo, I take a lot of L's too. Like right now, I'm in a call on Meta, and it's not happening at the moment. Let me actually look at Meta on the 4 hour. I'll have to see how Meta holds up at support, or hope that Meta holds up at support. But we'll have to see. All right, so Spy, they went to the first level, kind of catching some life. I think we can continue down, but might get a retest before coming down. So let's see if that ends up playing out. Wait, you're doing 200 options trades, or oh no, using $200 and growing. Yeah, I'm not taking 200 option trades. Oh no. Yeah, using $200. Let's see. All right, so we're coming on down, selling off a little bit. Y'all give me a second. Yo, my stomach is growling. I might need to like heat up a bagel or something. I miss? All right, so I don't have food, but I threw like a bagel in the toaster, and my wife just said she's gonna make eggs. So I'm probably throw the eggs on the bagel and have a little something there, and then this hunger crisis will be averted. All right, so yeah, right now it looks like we got a little break and retest action to the downside. IWM hasn't quite pulled back to that level where I said it was kind of interesting. Just got a headline. Let's see. Oh, nothing of any real interest. Yeah, I don't really see anything of interest right now. Let's see if we have any good data or anything coming out tomorrow. We got core durable goods an hour before market open. Let's see what earnings we have. We got Intel after close today. All right, selling off a little bit more. Okay, so with the SPY, looks like we got a break and retest of what was resistance. Here, let's actually go up to a higher time frame. Okay, let's go to the 31 hour. All right, so if we look up here, we may have gotten like a potentially false breakout, or maybe we come back to this 13 EMA, go up. I was still looking at this 634 area, but hello SPY is testing me. I have confidence, but it's hard when you have skin in the game. Yeah. Maybe try less skin in the game. I don't know. It's like trade with an amount where this isn't necessarily advice, but I noticed like whenever I'm trading with an amount where it's like, yo, if the day ends and I don't have that money anymore, I'll like I won't even think about it. That's whenever I'm able to unnervously ride things. It's like right now, like that paired with like waiting for the contracts to get cheaper when you get in. Yeah, but it can be tough. It's kind of something you gotta build over time. It's like my thing is if I get nervous, I probably put too much in. Tesla going for the break. Oh, the break of the downside again. Yeah, it's there. But it also created some liquidity here too. I don't know. But yeah, it might be going for it. We're still selling off. We're doing that thing to the downside. Here, let me get a better look at IWM. Why exactly did I have it at 224? I think actually this 224.08 area. Yeah, I might go try to go a reversal on IWM. That might be my play today. IWM. Yeah, I got a call I'm looking at. Nice setup, sub, and liked. You think Nvidia hits all-time highs? Uh, when are you talking about Nvidia hitting all-time highs? Would be my question. I was like, I think they'll hit all-time highs, but will it happen today? Not necessarily. Um, oh, we're like right there for IWM though. All right, are we gonna hit? Oh, it actually started getting more expensive as it. It's like they're listening to me, bro. Yo, how am I not getting? It's like every time I put in an order, I could have got it for more when it was going a little higher, or for less when it. Yo, every time I move it, they move the price. Did I get in? Oh, I'm in. All right, so I got a IWM 224 call 0 DTE, and I paid 57 per share, 57 cents per share. Let me share that with the family real quick. It's bought in about right there. All right. Oh, hold on, my wife knocking. 1 second. Yo, the food is here. Let's get it. Well, yeah, let me share that real quick. Share that in the Discord. All right. Just picked up a IWM 224 call 0 DT paid 57 cents per share. All right, so if IWM gets back above 57 cents, I don't lose. All right, so 63rd. Wait, what contract? So I got the 224. I got the 0 day to expiration. 63rd, like just as you said, you were looking at a call. Which call? So I see all y'all's questions about the call. I think I just answered all y'all's questions, so I'm not gonna go over those again. But yeah, I got my little bagel here. Snack time. We'll see if it plays out. Hopefully it does. Give it a little time. Oh, let me also post a picture. Forgot to share the picture. Yep, 0 DT. Oh, we're pushing up a little bit. All right, so it's up 25%, up $14. Already a decent return. Up 28%. It's moving. All right, so y'all shout out to Veronica. She's the one who got me to look at IWM. I would say that's already a successful trade. We'll see if it like lives on, but oh dang, that's a lot of eggs that just dropped out of there. Downtrend still pretty strong. Yeah, we are trying to sell off. All right. Trying to look to see if I see anything that stands out, but or anything that just looks different, anything that can kind of just support my thoughts and feelings at the moment. Oh, this candle's still kind of fresh. Still got about like more than 10 minutes on it. On the cooler, it's almost like time slows down when I'm into charts. Dang, hold up. Hey, checking on Netflix again. The thing is still selling off. IWM trying to come down. Still alright though. Dang, Netflix, man. So one thing I want to say in regards to your AAL is the fact that they have fallen to a level of support already that looks pretty decent, and they're oversold. And the next level of support below this level of support is maybe like 30 or 40 cents away. So it's like they can fall more, but it's like just know they have close supports and that they're already like pretty much oversold. So I'm not, if I'm being completely honest, I'm not sure how much more they have in the tank to the downside. This might be a short move. I don't know. But their earnings, wait, let me go back down. Oh wait, hold on, I'm looking at the wrong thing now. Yeah, they actually, when I zoom out to the weekly, they actually have somewhat of a uptrend going a little bit. And it looks like it's possible they pulled to it. So I would be hesitant. Yeah, but their earnings they surprised 21% to the upside. EPS, revenue, they surprised. This might, in my opinion, like I don't know everything that was said on the call, but it looks like it'd be a buying opportunity in my opinion. Just looking at the charts and just a quick glance at the data, so I don't know. It might consolidate here and then make a move up. Can you get out from IWM? I was trying to get out at 24%. Robinhood does not allow the sell? Really? Yeah, it looks like they'll let me get out. You might want to like contact customer service because honestly, that's something you can sue for. Yeah, that would not be cool. I'm not sure if it's a misunderstanding, but I would take a screenshot just in case. So even if it falls, it won't be much, and they are oversold. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's like they can fall, but you said could be no buyers. Yeah, I don't know unless I see it, but it's a possibility. Buy trying to pop a little bit. I personally feel this move down is just like a charge up for more upside on the cool. Don't mind me eating eggs with my fingers because I didn't have any bagels left and my wife didn't give me a fork. Or I don't have any bagel left. But all done. Alright, IWM trying to move up some more. Y'all, if this move goes like all the way to where I was looking at it possibly going, I think the target would be up here like around like 226. I just want to see what it does today. Or at least until I get bored. It's kind of like my attention span for some of these trades. I don't have it. Or I just have other things to do. So it's like, I don't know. Alright, so the IWM, It's back up to being up like 20%. It's up $11 now. Break even is at here. Let me draw a little line for break even. So yeah, right there at 224.57. That's the break even line. That little red line. Yo, hope we making money today. Hey, we're up. We are up, Lucky J. Just to update you, grabbed like a 0 DTE on IWM. Paid $57 per share. Or 57 cents per share. $57, that would be a fat chunk. But oh, it's not quite moving yet, but it's looking all right now. Looking all right. Yeah, I would like it to start looking like that at some point, but you know, we play the game of patience. See how we're doing on the SPY. See if this trend holds up. Yo, I noticed. Hey, I just want to let y'all know there are some lurkers. I was gonna say in the chat, but there are some lurkers here in the room. We got probably about 20 of them. Just 20 people just lurking. Hey, come over, be a liker. Yo, smash that like button. Makes the stream a little bit more enjoyable. Actually, not just a little bit. I'd argue it makes it a lot of bit more enjoyable. Definitely, that button is worth the smash. Hold on, let's see. Okay. Hey, somebody came over to have a good time, I see. Hey, good luck today, man, and to everyone. Appreciate you, Ivan. Appreciate you. Yo, if this IWM decides, yo, it wants to take off, the odds are in our favor. We want to avoid El Salvador. Please hit that like button. Yes. Yes, El Salvador. We are not trying to go to SECOT. Here, let me shoot my wife something. All right, so the first candle is looking all right. It's about to close. So it's a good start. It's a good start for IWM. Maybe they trying to like push it down. I'm gonna need them to hold up, push it on up. Nope, come on. You got there. There we go. All right, still doing all right. All right, let's see. I seen a few lurkers at the door. Oh no. They just over there lurking. They probably just let you walk right by them too. They probably just lurked at you. That sounds a little uncomfortable. Just lurking, not liking. Standing at doorways and stuff. All right, so looks like we're trying to show that we're trying to come back down, but yeah, we'll see what storyline they wanna run today. All right, I see some of y'all trying to come over from the world of the lurkers. Hey, welcome. All right, we're making another attempt at this low on IWM. Actually, we haven't necessarily swept it. We just kind of hit it. We hit an equal low. I mean, it's fine if it's just a an equal low, but we haven't swept it. Yeah, I'm still in IWM. Yeah, I have not left IWM. Everything there is fine at the moment. Let me see how I'm doing on it real quick. Yeah, I'm down like $4 on it. That's all 7%. All good. It's like most of the time I enter a trade, it's like I don't expect to be up like right away. Even though there was an opportunity, like there was like a right away up opportunity. But when I enter a reversal, I don't expect to be up right away. So that was just a quick opportunity for anyone that wanted to scalp that. Ooh, Levi in that number 2 spot today. Okay. I see you. I'm done lurking in the IWM with you. Same intro. Hey, nice. Oh, hold up. They're trying to bring it down. We'll have to see what happens here. Here, let me let's see. So we are oversold. Yeah, we'll have to see what this candle looks like. Probably have to see what the next one looks like. But RIP Hulk Hogan. Did he just pass too? Bro, we lost Ozzy Osbourne and Hulk Hogan in the same week. Let me look this up. Dang, today. Wow, hold up. Wrestling legend Hulk Hogan has died at 71 years old. Medics were dispatched to stating it was regarding a cardiac arrest. Okay. Heart attack. Okay. Let's. Yeah, legit. 2 days ago it was Ozzy Osbourne. And then today we got Hulk Hogan. That's wild. All right, this IWM still looks fine though. Central Florida Street Glide said IWM said nah, it's gonna hold up. It's just trying to hit us with the pump fake right now. And Theo Hustable, hold up. Oh, okay. Oh, did he pass away too? At 54. What day? What day was this? Hold up. Oh, 2 days ago. So that was the same. Okay. Okay, it wasn't cool that it was the same day as Ozzy Osbourne. That's why I didn't. That's probably why I didn't hear about it. But oh, It was wild. It's a somber feeling watching your childhood heroes die. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, let's see. I caught a move on QQQ, made 74. Hey, good stuff, Shrey. Don't forget Malcolm. Hold up, I'm gonna have to look up who that is. It's like a lot of these people that were celebrities. I didn't know them by their names. I knew them by their characters. Malcolm. Wait, hold up. Jamal Warner. Wait, okay. Musician. I gotta see his work. Wait, he was on the Cosby Show. Malcolm and Eddie. Hold up, the only thing I know about is the Cosby Show, which was before I was even born. Oh, apparently he was on the Fresh Prince of Bel Air too. What are you doing on the Fresh Prince of Bel Air? Oh, he drowned. That's wild. Hold on, something just. Bro, I just got like a fake spam text. All right. While on vacation, that is sad. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, these bodies of waters, man. It's like water semi cool, but like the ocean is like terrifying at the same time. It's like I'm cool on the beach, but when it's like in the ocean, I'm like, yo, it's like there could be anything like this. I'm like, this mess is like powerful. Lurkers, let's hit that like button. Costa Rica. That's no, honestly, it's crazy. Y'all take a moment to like realize how precious it is that you're live doing this right now. It's kind of crazy. Lucky just to spread the news to my coworkers. Crazy. You just found out about Malcolm. So yeah. So my life, like it's like I hear about stuff, but no, yeah, I am in my own world. It's like I like to I like to be in the loop, but I also like to not be in the loop at the same time because there becomes a point of I don't know, there's a level of life where your life is all about other people's lives and it's like I personally try to minimize that. There was a point in time whenever I used to sit and watch like all the sporting events, all the basketball games, all the football games, all the whatever, like just on TV. In America, you grow up and it's like Super Bowl Sunday, Saturday is like college football, and you pretty much have sports all year. I don't know when, but I like somebody, I don't know what figure, but it's like it kind of put it into perspective and no like disrespect to anybody who does this because it's like I still watch, but it's like all these athletes, all these musicians, all of it, like everybody doing anything notable at a level, you could do it too if you decided to focus and hone in on that. And these people that we put on pedestals, we have to remember that they are regular human beings just like us. And that, I personally like when it comes to anybody famous, I personally look at them as a peer. It's like I know these people have regular family members, regular friends that like I can interact with and are just like me. And it's like to me like famous people doing big things, it's like bro, it's like yo, good job with what you're doing, but it's like there are things that I am better than these people at. There are things they're better than me at. Oh, hold up. Is the stream dying? But if it's not dying, it's like Yo, people are people, and it's like I have a life to live too. So it's like I need to focus on my life and maybe inspire somebody else. I don't know, but it's like when you stop. I don't know. It's cool to see people do their thing and really appreciate what they do. I just try not to obsess over it. Black internet going crazy at Theo makes me feel real old. The Cosby Show Theo. Yeah, once again, like I just checked the dates on the Cosby Show. That stopped airing. That show, they stopped making new episodes 5 years before I was born. So it's like I know about the Cosby Show. I've seen it, but that they stopped making those before I was born. Often, often I miss the today news lately, but Theo was forced on me. I don't know. The b-ball player just found out about Kai Sonata a few weeks ago, so I feel you, but I had to let it go. Yeah, it's like right now we're at a point where we're like intergenerational, and it's like me. It's like I'm kind of a creator. It's like I create right now mostly like kind of educational content, but it's like I enjoy creating things and like I don't know. So it's like I'm aware of Kai too, and it's like I value his genius. I don't like watch him like that, but I do see his clips and stuff, and it's like yo, he's chill too. It's like I value what he does. All Star, top of the morning. I quit watching TV as much as I did when Tommy killed Angela on Power. That's how long I've been out of the loop. Yeah, it's like I don't know. Once I like, oh, I'd say I stopped watching stuff like COVID. Aside from like aside from like quick series on Netflix and stuff, I don't really like watch stuff like that. I'm mostly YouTube. Tips, auction in 4 minutes. Okay, so we got 2 minutes till auction. Okay. Nah, IWO is still not an issue because I see this on the 1 hour. It might be a liquidity on the 1 hour. I'm still watching the 15 minute though. We haven't confirmed. We would need a candle completely below here. So while we're still here, we're fine. Said I'm telling my age. True on watching sports. Some people do the same thing with politics and politicians. No, yeah, the crazy thing about sports now is like I have friends in all these leagues now. Or friends that have been or are in all these leagues. So the people that I used to watch and idolize, I'm like, yo, my friend knows him or somebody I'm close to knows him and they're like cool with this person. So it's like if I truly wanted to meet this person, it's like I need to first off be in the mindset of like, hey, I'm their peer. I'm not doing the same thing, but it's like, you know, if you play a sport, like say I don't know, maybe you play basketball in high school, it's like, there are times that athletes get together. Maybe you do something with the volleyball players. I don't know. It's like these people, they're doing things at high levels that you may watch and you may not do yourself, but you also have your own thing. And it's like the more relatable you are, or the more that the less shaken you are by it, the more it is that you're likely to be seen as on the same level. I don't know. It's weird. But here, let's see. I watch more YouTube than TV. Yeah, 100%. YouTube is TV for me. And it's like I also like that I can just like listen to it too. When trying to purchase a put on TSLL, I get a message saying where's the current security of this option is currently considered hard to borrow. Okay, so it's probably considered hard to borrow. Here, let me think about it. Hard to borrow is probably because I don't know, people might be selling it. I'm not fully sure, but it probably has something to do with the volume of it being traded. Maybe it's probably being shorted. Yeah, it's like people are probably shorting TSLL, so that's why it's hard to borrow. All right. I agree with you 100%. I personally don't watch sports anymore because it's all rigged. I'm a Niners fan, but they were robbed the Super Bowl so many times I stopped watching. I feel you. Honestly, this past year was the first Super Bowl I watched in like maybe 3 or 4 years. But wasn't it like a blowout? I don't even remember. Like I had like a game night with it was almost like a double date that I had for that, but not care if sports are rigged or not. I slow down watching entertainment and watch more infotainment. Yeah, watch a lot of informational kind of stuff because I don't know if y'all notice, but bro, life is in a sense like maintaining life. It's getting harder. Like, and I feel like I can see that because we got like 84 people on stream right now, just like looking to learn and get better, like at things that I'm not sure how many of y'all were looking at stocks a year ago. I and I don't think it's a coincidence. Like the amount of my friends from high school and just friends that know that I do stocks but don't fully understand that are like all of a sudden taking interest. It's like it's insane. Like that's how I know it's getting hard. When I see the videos I have that are like how to like for beginners and stuff like that getting more views, it's like, oh yeah, it's that shows me the hype and whatnot. I tell people stop Netflixing and chilling so much. Start YouTubing and learning. Yeah, I think a lot of people right now could especially chill with the chilling part too, because a lot of people can't afford the consequences. But yeah, I don't know. Like once again, I have Netflix. I would not have it if my wife didn't pay for it. But yeah, one thing that used to kind of kill me about Netflix is like the fact that I would sit and like the amount of time it would take me to find something to watch. Sometimes I'm like, yo, I'm spending too much effort looking for something to watch. It's like I shouldn't have to like first off, it's not even anything that's good for me. If I'm gonna be doing something that's not good for me, let me at least make it easy for me. I don't know. Yeah, there's hey IWM still it's still chilling. Let's go to 1 hour real quick, see what it's looking like. Okay, so we just closed out the 1 hour. We got a new candle. All right, so that's chill. That's chill. That might have been the little dippity dip, but we'll see. See if we can get a new high on the 5. Yeah, a lot of people are trapped in that system. Just broke minded. Can't force them to drink. Hey, for real. Like, oh, let's go IWM. But no, yeah, for real. It's like a lot of people are you're trapped in the system until what is it? Yeah, you're trapped in a lot of people are trapped in the system until something breaks. Like for me, honestly, I'm lucky I had something break earlier. Like I want to say, was it like 2018? I dropped out of nursing school and I'm like, yo, I'm not going to be making the money I thought I was going to make. So let me start learning about investing and all that stuff. So that's kind of where I started my journey in a sense. So yeah, it's like a lot of times something has to break for people to look for things to fix. And it's like ever since that like whole nursing school thing broke, I've just been trying to fix it ever since. Okay, hello, still making waves, up 11% again today. Okay, let's okay, hello. Yeah, okay, hello. Insanity. What is this? All right, IWM. It's at the 13 EMA on the 5. Let's see if we can break this trend. Yes, yes, love your live streams. Hopefully nobody lurking. Hey, if anyone's lurking, they're hidden by the people that came through earlier now. It's like I can't see the lurkers. I feel like I feel some lurkers, but I can't see them, so I don't know. Appreciate you, Patricia. What is SPY going to do? So right now they're still respecting this trend line to the downside, but if they get above this trend line, they're probably going to push them more. I would think. Okay, Max, Amazon, Paramount, Tubi. I have Amazon Prime, and I don't even like watch the Prime Video on the cool. All distractions, had to slow down, had to stop paying so much just to end up making less because of the streaming services. Hey, for real, it's like I don't know. It's like I want to live life. I feel like there will be a time whenever it's harder for me to move. It's like, hey, let me watch this stuff then. Sometimes I can watch the stuff while I'm doing stuff, and it's like, all right, but but yeah, it's like I don't know. To circle back on the SPY nervousness, how long before you trust yourself on your charting? If I get out on the stock and the stock does exactly what I forecasted to, makes it would make me sick to my stomach. So honestly, that happens to me a lot still. Um, I think it's going to depend on like where you're at. Like I think the higher the risk, the higher the risk of the move, the less that you can actually afford it, the more nervous you're going to feel about it. It's like there is probably like it's like you probably have the money, but it's probably like first off, if your time is worth less, like say I was working a job for like $15 an hour and I spend $500 on a trade, even if I had like I don't know, let's say I got like 50,000 just chilling to do more trading, the fact that my time is like 15 if I get paid $15 an hour, if I lose $500, that is that's going to be massive for me because 500 divided by 15, let's see, yo, that's 33 hours of work right there, like just for a single trade, and sometimes you lose it in like 2 minutes. I mean that's fast, but it's like if that's the case, it's like yeah, that's gonna hurt. So it really kind of also comes down to, and it looks like we're on the way up, just for the record, on the SPY and on the Qs and whatnot. But yeah, if that's your frame set, if that's your like where your financial thermostat is set, then it's going to be tough for you. So I think the thing that has like something that I probably don't even talk about as much that has made trading easier for me is like I've been, I guess, changing my financial thermostat, changing myself to looking at things differently. Like it's like I used to be kind of hourly, and then I don't know, it's like now I'm kind of performance based, but it's like also I don't necessarily have to do as much because it's like I have like semi passive income. It's like it stacks up over time. It kind of is seasonal, but it's like over time the baseline for what I make every day, it goes up. So it's like where there was a point in time where I used to have to like work 10 hours in a day at Amazon to make $200 in a day and then get taxes pulled out of it. It's like I could like not do anything, and that would only be like 4 days a week. It's like I can not do anything and receive that every day of the week. And it's like whenever you have kind of baseline set into play, it's like that allows your thermostat to rise. All right, do you have a video on charting trends? I finally set up my trading view thanks to your videos. Free version though. Uh yes. I don't know exactly which one to like point you to, but if you're on the free version of Trading View, if you check out the Weeble one I posted yesterday, it might be a little bit easier. I don't know. Like I really don't know. Honestly, I would just say like maybe try to check into my recent videos. I'm starting to like try to post every day or at least Monday through Friday. Even if it's just something small, I'm gonna try to just be consistent and just post something. So I'll try to like the things I see y'all struggling with, I'll try to post. And then if not, we can at least like recap a trade. But it's like I have them. I just can't tell you exactly what they are. If you type in Matthew Manual and then trendline, I'm sure you'll be able to find something though. Uh, it's about the money you're using. We have to use money meant to be invested. It's got to be saved in advance. It can't be bill money. Invest about 30%. Oh, I would love, shoo, if I could invest 30% of what I save. Right now, unfortunately, I'm paying bills, but yo, 30% of what? Yo, that's a, mm, bro. My portfolio be growing like crazy, man. Yeah, so hey, we're pumping now. This is what we want to see. All right, IWM's almost to that break even. Let's see how we're looking. Let's back up 20%. But yeah, there goes SPY. Here, let's see what if there's anything on the 5. All right, so SPY is going for that high. Q's is going for that high. I don't know. Here, let me check news because that's kind of a little jump right there. Yeah, IWM's up 30% now. All right, so now it's at break even. Oh, now it's below break even. But yeah, let me check news. Nothing quite going on yet. We'll Oh, enable news. Okay, I just turned on my Weeble news notifications. It might get annoying. We'll have to see, but yeah, it's like I feel like they have the best kind of news. So, okay, so Oh, sorry, I got a little distracted on my phone. All right, let's see. That 6:35 spy call you took yesterday expiring tomorrow. Yeah, I sold out of that. I took profit at open. It's for sure higher than it was when I got it, but yeah, I took profit on that. I think I took like $50 profit on it. It's for sure up a lot higher than 50 right now, but I just see profit, take profit. Thanks, great call on IWM. Appreciate that. What would you say your average daily profit is? How you are using, and how are you using the money to get through your monthly expenses in life? So, the money like I make from options just goes into investments. So I'm not necessarily using the money for life right now. It's like I've tried to do that before. Um, right now I still have I need to do a lot more before I do that. But how much do I make a you say average daily? Honestly, it depends on what I'm trading with. And I wouldn't necessarily be able to give you an average because it's like I just try kind of ride the move. It's like I don't have like a set profit I'm looking for. I don't necessarily trade every day. I don't necessarily win every day. So I can't give you like a daily average. And you said, and how are you using that money to get through it? Yeah, I'm not using it. So it's like I right now I probably have about $40 a day that I like invest like just into dollar cost averaging every day. And that comes out of my bank account. If I make enough in my like other account, I'll transfer it over to my Roth, but so that lowers the expenses coming out of my bank account, but other than that, I don't really use it to for any like actual expenses, just for like cheapening what's coming out of my bank account. I don't trade 30%, I invest, and that's the long term dollar cost averaging, crypto, and other ventures like vending machine in my eBay, Amazon store. Oh, you got an Amazon store? I just had to realize I can't control the market and anything can happen. If you accept that, you're kind of crazy. But hey, 100%, I feel you there, Yoko, big time. Paying for Discord as well comes out of my 30% to invest. So if I save 100, 30 is divided up and invested. The other 70 is for emergency fund, charity. Uh, uh, right now, I'm gonna let y'all know. So I would say up. I would say the last like 2 or 3 years, I've kind of been like I've been like putting all my expenses, tracking all my expenses, seeing like how much I have coming in, how much I have going out for my wife and I. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like these past like 2 months, it's like I see about how much I spend. I know when I spend more. So now it's like, okay, I've kind of been like a little bit blind. And I'm just like, yo, let's just divert this energy to making more money. It's like I know what the base I need to make is. It's fine. Let's just make more money. So right now it makes me a little nervous. I'm not tracking it, but I'm also like, yo, if I make more money, like, cause it's like I have times when I do, and I see I'm going harder. I'm like, this energy can be used to make more, and it kind of eliminates some of the all the pain too. So, what state are you in? I'm in a state of peace. No, I'm kidding. I'm in Texas. I just found you just now. Are you using Trading? Yeah, right now. Yeah, we're on TradingView. We are on TradingView. All right. Also want to take the time to like just let y'all know, kind of establish that on IWM we have we are now in an uptrend because we're making lower lows and lower highs right here. Once we cross this level, this 224.30 area, we made a higher high. So that is the break of structure. We gotta change. Florida is, when you say Joshua, is your name Joshua, or is that a part of Florida you're in? Lucky J. And we got a little pullback, but we're in an uptrend. What stocks are we looking at? So I am personally like I'm in a call on the IWM. So where it says iShares Russell right here, that's where I am. Okay. Okay, Joshua. Okay. Good to know. Always good to have a name. Yeah, cause sometimes I'm in here reading names or reading names when it's like, or reading the names, and it'll be like what is it, was it something like Miami Street Glide or Central Florida Street Glide? Yeah, that's like, but if his name's like Dave, I could just say Dave. But let's see, first pay you with the standard to invest a portion of what first paid, leaving your new 100% greater than that of the old 100%. Ever was with faith, the more to come. My philosophy and more on my YouTube channel. The new 100. So what's the new 100 stand for, M Sense? San Diego, California. Oh, we dropping where we're from. I need to go to San Diego. Also need to get out to Yosemite too. Do you do one-on-one coaching? Honestly, at the moment, I like struggle to find time. It's like I do kind of like we had a Zoom call last night, like a group one, but not exactly at the moment. I'm like it's like a battle for time. It's like I prefer to do groups just cuz I feel like there's more to kind of like grasp, but yeah, so I would kind of say no right now. There's no structure to it. But also I do enjoy helping people, and I do actually I say I enjoy helping people, but sometimes people can be a lot. It's like I also enjoy peace, like being at peace within. So if it's sometimes if it's too much helping, it's like yo, I gotta withdraw myself. But it's like for the most part, I do enjoy helping people. Okay, Anthony. Okay, so not Dave. It's Anthony. Okay, Alani. Hey, what's up? What's up? I'm learning the option wheel strategy. That's like we can definitely talk about it. We can talk about the wheel. If you have any questions, I can definitely like add a level of clarity to it. It's not something I'm just doing on the regular right now. I've like ran it before, and I would look to do it more in the future. But like D Scurv, I know D Scurv's name is Darren, but also D Scurv sounds like a cool nickname, so that's an easy name to call out. But peace out, D Scurv. Have a blessed day. Enjoy your day. Just that, if you have left after you save, when you get paid, most of that to create their budget or live life, it's 100% of what they have. I say save first. What's left is your okay. Yeah, sometimes you gotta lead with the message. Balance is good. Yeah, I would say balance is good, but also it's also like I would say there is no like true balance at the same time. Marvin, love your hey, appreciate the encouragement. That was people like you. You said peace out from the other Darren. Oh, that's what I was talking about you, D Scurv. But yeah, peace out, Darren. Peace out, D Scurv. Word I bought yesterday. Wait, what'd you buy? What'd you buy, Joshua? You prefer Josh or Joshua? On the cool, I feel like I've always had like a best friend, Josh. A roommate in college. Now I got another Josh. That's cool. Oh, WRD. Okay. I thought you were saying word. Wait, hold up. Oh, we ride. Okay, here, let's pull it up down here. Oh, that thing kind of taking off. This is on a 4-hour, but on this automatic or automotive grade computing platform. I'll add it to the list. We'll keep track of it. Hey, you rolling out too, Levi? Hey, peace out, Levi. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can ride this. Here, let me go up to like a 15. See if I can ride this IWM. It's still, for now, looking decent. Check out option values. What were you, Josh? What kind of option values are you trying to look at? Like, are they like insane? Oh, they only have so they got the quarterly options contracts. I'm about to take lunch and DoorDash. All right, peace out, M Sense. Or I don't know if you're gonna listen. I don't know, but if you're rolling out, peace out. All right, so SPY is back to the upper side of this trend line. On selling puts yesterday, 10 contracts at $10 for 120. So sold 10 contracts, so 10 puts for 120. All right, I mean it is overbought. What date did you? Oh, you said for August 15th. So it's overbought, but also, like when we look at where it came from, it's like we don't have too much history. Like it did just cross above the 13 EMA, so it can keep going. Also, this is one that is likely in the IWM or the Russell 2000. So as interest rates get lower, that's something that could potentially benefit from that. Kutsai, it touched me yesterday when you said you don't want others to suffer like you did in your early days learning trading. I appreciate you to take your time to do this for free. I appreciate you, Kutsai. Yeah, want to while I can. Yeah, you said I heard that and I'll listen in the car until you're out of here. Hey, okay, I'm sense. All right, cool. Yeah, we're kind of Oh, I guess we're just bouncing around right now. We are bouncing around. Yes, I could close and take profits early, but this stock has been steady. Oh wait, you sold puts? Sold puts, okay. All right, so you would profit. Okay, I was thinking of selling calls. That's why I was like, okay, yeah, I think it can. Yeah, because I'm like, yo, it like looking at it, I'm like, it looks like it can still move up. But yeah, that would be a good move then. Yeah, I was thinking of it the other way around. But yeah, Joshua, that seems like yeah, you might get to keep that premium, is what it kind of seems like. Oh, my family is talking now about Hulk Hogan. Oh, that's wild. Okay. Let's see. All right, sorry, I was responding to my family. All right. Yep, I'm out for work. Hey, have a blessed day, Yoko. Feel the same as Kutsai. I appreciate you, Marvin. Josh, yes. Or Joshua. Is Texas Instruments a good stock to trade? Um, I'm going to go off of, first off, my first impressions, my thoughts. I'm going to say it's potentially a good investment, but I'm going to say I don't look at look at it as something to trade. But let me look at it real quick. All right, so let's here actually we can look at it over here. We can look at it together. What's their ticker? Here, I'll just try to type it in. There we go, TXN. So when we look at Texas Instruments, if we're looking at options, I mean, first off, let's look at the closest ones to the money. All right, first thing that I see is the open interest is 717. The volume is 1405 for a contract that is like in the money or like just outside of the money. So I would say that's pretty low for the most part. I mean, it's enough to get in and out, but I wouldn't say the volume isn't like anything crazy. Um, so I would say it's tradable, but it's not one I would like look to for the most part. If we compare this to something like here, let me try to pick something kind of like average that's still not like something I would consider more of a like kind of regular stock like Apple or something. Let's look at the same kind of trade Apple. Let's go to just outside the money. You can see the volume right here is 104,000. Open interest is 58,000. That's another example. Say we look at like IWM, which is the one that I got in today. Once again, looking at the same kind of things. So we got volume of like 14,000, open interest of 14,000. Whereas with the Texas Instruments, it was like what was it like? think it was like 1,400 on the volume or something like that, and open interest of 700. Just know the lower those numbers are, the higher the likelihood of being trapped in the trade and not having options. That's all I would say. So it's like ideally you want that to be high enough for there to be some liquidity. You say, yay, it's a good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, it seems solid right now. Wally G, questions about the difference between Webull and Moomoo. Isn't Moomoo better with free live data? That's my take on it. I personally I prefer Moomoo. When it comes to the desktop trading platform, that's the only reason I would prefer Webull. But all in all, it's like I think Webull is the better platform whenever it comes to, not Webull. I think Moomoo is a better platform for like executions and like actually just like using mobile and stuff. That's kind of my take on it, but honestly, it just comes down to what you prefer. But like if you're referring to the video I uploaded yesterday, I just shared that because I use TradingView. A lot of people want like a similar experience to me, and I feel like Webull is the next best thing that's going to give you all the majority of the features that I use in here, but it's free. So I think they have like the next best trading platform outside of like a Thinkorswim or something like that. Thinkorswim they're good too. They can be like complicated to an extent, and then also they use like a lot of RAM. Also, the delta is low. Oh, that's something too. Moomoo would hold on to your money forever. What do you mean Moomoo would hold on to your money forever? Why would they do that? 94. Oh, we got 94 likes. Hey, we're only 6 away, family. Yo, to all my lurkers out there, hey, now's the time to tap in and become a liker. Hey, you could be the change. You could make it happen. I was looking at it because Texas Instruments dropped 13%, even though it beat earnings. Here. Let's take a look at this too. Here. Okay, so we got Texas Instruments dropped after beating earnings. We got American Airlines down almost 9% after it beat earnings. We got Netflix that beat earnings. Ever since they announced their earnings, they are down. Here, they closed up here. Since they announced their earnings, they're down 9% or $116 per share. I have Thinkorswim, but paid $60. Yeah, that's oh shoot, we did it. Hey, appreciate y'all. Lurkers came through. I guess y'all aren't lurkers anymore. But okay. I have Thinkorswim, but pay 69 cents per options contract. Yeah, that's part of the reason I don't really use Thinkorswim anymore. I mean, you can still use their platform though. It's just like that's part of why I don't. What do you think about Interactive Brokers or Thinkorswim? Interactive Brokers, I'm not sure. I don't think I've used like an actual interactive brokers platform, but I use interactive brokers for some of my investments. So I've never used them in a sense from any trading platform. So I honestly cannot tell you about that. But Thinkorswim, and like once again, I think I've already said it, but it's like Thinkorswim, the platform is good. It just uses a lot of RAM. But also there's a like trading on your phone. I didn't really I didn't use a platform on your phone, but I see a lot of I feel like I see a lot of traders like, put in their take profit and stop loss like using lines on their phones and it'll kind of execute like that. So that actually seems kind of cool. But that's not how I do it. Compared to other platforms, Moomoo takes forever to clear your money for trading. Oh, I see what you mean. If you got Bank of America, they clear you right away. I'm gonna be real. I don't have Bank of America, so um, I feel like when I was on Webull, it took just as long as Moomoo does though. They're both Chinese companies, so I don't know. I don't know if Webull has like sped up the deposit process, but at least Webull has the option like if you want to have a Bank of America account to make it instant. Robinhood is just nice because you have it instantly, but I would say like when it comes to the ones that don't have instant deposits, they all take the same amount of time to clear it. It's just Moomoo doesn't give you instant deposits. They actually do give instant deposits. It's just they don't let you trade options with it. What do you think about? So I answered your question about interactive brokers before I answered your question about Thinkorswim. As like the actual investment like website and app is fine. I'm not sure. I don't even know of interactive brokers having a desktop platform. So if they do, it's cool. I haven't used their desktop platform if they have it. I've used their website and I have their app, and I don't see any like trading like chart features on their phone on the mobile app. So I don't know anything about that, but yeah, I've used their I have an account with them that I invest into. Let me actually check on it. Wait, okay. IBKR merged with to update the platform. It's okay, but better out there. I've used them all. Tastywork is the best if you understand the platform. I used Tastyworks back in the day. Can you do a video of how to trade options on Moomoo? I have done a video on how to trade options on Moomoo. So yo, it's out there. Yeah, it's out there. Yeah. It's like maybe in the future at some point, maybe eventually do another one, but I don't think it's been long enough for me to do a new one. It's like still the same. Yeah, honestly, even if you just like typed in how to trade options on Moomoo, you would a lot of stuff. If you type in a lot of the questions y'all ask me, y'all might actually just find me in the search, because it's like I will title a lot of these videos like exactly what you're asking and searching for, just to make it easy to find. All right, here, let me come down to look at IWM on a lower time frame real quick. All right, so IWM, we put in a low, we put in a higher high. It's looking like we have a higher low going right here, but also kind of consolidating. Never got approved for options on Moomoo, but did on Robinhood. So interesting. I didn't get approved for options on Interactive Brokers. That's probably why I don't even care to see what's up with their platform. IBKR has a trading platform. Okay, that's cool. It's like, honestly, on the cool, I just need one. I'm not even necessarily trying to test them all. I just yeah, I'm not trying to bog down my computer or my laptop. Low key, I'm gonna have to get like a little. I run my stuff off a MacBook Pro. I'm gonna low key have to get a Mac Mini, because it's like I like to keep my laptop here, but I also like end up not feeling like not doing anything, just because it's like, oh yeah, let me undock my Mac and let me take it with me. I want to just have one here, and then my Mac just ready to work with me. Are you able to trade options fast, like somehow with AutoSend? So I don't use the integrations in TradingView, so there are probably tutorials out there. I don't know, but I do know, like, if we look here, all of these brokerages and stuff do have integration with TradingView. So I said we got Webull. What else we got on here? What else have I used? Oh, there's Tasty Trade, Interactive Brokers, Moomoo. Yeah, those are the only ones I really kind of use. But you have the integration there, but honestly, I can't tell you anything about it. All right, y'all. Here, like one more check in on the IWM. I think I'm about to have to cut the stream short, though, just because of the fact that my wife is asking to go somewhere, and we're on a little bit of a timeline. Let me hold up. I forgot what I was just doing. Oh, I was checking IWM. So IWM. All right, yeah, that's up. It's up 21% on entry. I'm gonna probably let it go do its thing, because I feel like it can still ride, but I'm not like too worried about it. So just to let y'all know where I am as we close this out. So with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming joining the stream. I Truly appreciate, yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades that y'all are in go y'all's way. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Avaya. Peace out, Joshua. Peace out, CCAA Corners. Peace out, Osama. Peace out, Imsense. Peace out, Tony. Peace out, Danny. Did I say peace out, Marvin? Peace out, Marvin. Yeah, peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Exo Cole. Peace out, Kutsai. Peace out, Natasha. Yo, yeah, y'all stay blessed. If I happen to miss your name, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I didn't say it. But yeah, with that being said, once again, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Oh yeah, peace out, Fast for Wood. Stay blessed.